Hey friends, when you want to create a perfect website for your business and services, choose WordPress. And when you are creating a website using WordPress CMS, it is desirable to watch videos on this channel. This channel brings hundreds of WordPress themes to choose and compare, and in this video we are going to create a website for education services. So be it a university, school or online learning, you can target all education related services website with the theme that we are going to use and overview, and it is Dlear. So it is a dedicated theme for education in the university and school websites, and you can obtain the theme, you can buy the theme through the video description link just for $29. So comparatively price is very low, but yes, before taking buying this season you need to watch this complete video as you have choices of multiple themes on this channel itself, so that you may compare and choose the best that is suiting your website project perfectly. Let us create a website. Let us make a website using Dlear WordPress theme. And during the video, we are going to discuss everything about the theme, the installation process, how you can customize your website, how you can launch your website, and everything is for you through the iCreate program. Simply follow the video description link for live question and answer with a WordPress mentor. And let us begin creating a stunning website for education services using Dlear WordPress theme. So I'm assuming you have already taken a hosting and a domain name and you have installed WordPress core. If not, please watch the video playlist, learn WordPress, and go to the WP Themes website through the link given in the video description. Get everything that you need for your website and let us begin installation here. So this is core and fresh installation of WordPress, and it is using the default WordPress theme. And I got the theme pack. In the theme pack, I have the installable theme file. The child theme is also included. The documentation and licensing is also here. So I'm going to use this dila.zip file for our installation purpose. Installation is going to be simple, but yes, you need to follow the exact steps. So we can start here, and the appearance menu, you have to click on the themes, add theme, upload theme, choose the installable file, that is dila.zip. Don't try to upload the complete folder. It is a very common mistake that we are answering on the daily basis on the live chats here. So you are also welcome to ask any question related to WordPress website. We will try our level best to answer all your queries. And yes, it is absolutely free. So you can join the iCreate program as well to complete your website in all aspects. So theme got installed successfully within seconds, and we can go to the theme page just to check the details, and we can proceed further accordingly. So along with the default theme, I can see Dlear is here, and I'm using version 1.0.8. So as on date, this is being the latest version, and Dlear was last updated on 30 October 2024. So it is 7 months back. But yes, we can expect a good website using this theme, and we can also expect a very uh, recent update. And as of now, it has got a 5-star rating from its extreme users. So we can expect a good thing, but yes, we are going to overview everything. Okay, right? So I'm coming back here and activating the theme. On activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionalities. 10 plugins that I can see here, and the back core elements. So this is a pre-packed plugin. I believe this is coming from the theme developer. Breadcrumb nav texts for breadcrumbs activities. Contact form 7 as usual for creating forms. Elementor is the page builder that had been used. LearnPress is the LMS. Yes, you can create an online learning website using this theme. So LearnPress is here. LearnPress course review and add-on to LearnPress. One-click demo import for importing the content at your website. Redux is a framework that works very good with the Elementor page builder. And WooCommerce is also here in case if you are targeting to sell online. WooCommerce is here and it is well supported as well. Mailchimp for e-commerce. Mailchimp for WordPress is here for email subscriptions. All great plugins and all are required except one, the Mailchimp. but we are going to install all these plugins, 10 plugins. I have selected all, selecting install, clicking on apply. Let us see how it works. If it works properly, it will install all the listed plugins here. Just in case if it does not work, what we can do, we can install plugins one by one by following install links given with the plugin names. All right, great. And as we can see, all the plugins have been successfully installed and activated as well. You can see all green marks here. All installation and activation has been completed. All plugins installed and activated successfully. So it is a very important screen, and this message should come when you are installing the theme, because without plugin we cannot move forward in spite of the theme is here and you have installed the theme, but plugins are also integral part of every installation. Okay, great. And now I can come back to the dashboard and we can proceed for the next, like demo content import, and I can see some new navigation, some new links are here. I'll discuss all these new links and during the video itself, and we will complete our demo website. So the Dlear WordPress theme offers multiple pre-made websites. In fact, I can see 8 pre-made websites you can target, like freelancer courses, the course hub, the language school, distance learning, and the university website, school 1, school 2. I mean, two options of the school website, and the event for kids websites. Some more coming soon, and we can expect some good layouts again. Okay, right. And I'm here again. And this time I'll look for the option where we can import the demo website. So under appearance, I can see there is an option import demo data. But before we proceed, I'll refresh this page just to check how our website is looking now with the theme and all setup plugins. So it was looked with the default theme 2025. And this is the look of the website with the theme and all setup plugins, but without any demo content. And now we can proceed for importing demo content to make target website like any of these. All these layouts are very fine and crystal clear, transparent, and yes, it is presenting the content in a very professional manner. So like you can check the courses for online websites. It is working fine, and the loading speed is also very good. So it is mandatory, in fact, to make a successful website. You have a fast loading. You have to create a fast loading website that you can create with this theme, of course. And now we can proceed for demo content import. So I'm choosing the option import demo data under appearance menu, and here we have all the choices that you can choose. So Dlear University and the school options are here. So I'm going with very first one. You have all the choices. Either you can filter options and you can choose your desired layout. So I'm going with this, and on the next, continue and import. Now as a simple process, the demo content import processes begin, and we can even complete the LearnPress quick setup. But yes, let us finish the demo import. To check whether the demo import is going fine, we can open the media library in another tab. And if you are getting images here, it means the demo content import process is working fine. So just wait until you are getting any message on this screen, either success or even maybe error message. Just wait and sit tight when the demo import process is going on. Meanwhile, we can explore the layout that we are targeting, and I believe this one can be good. So the best university course for better words, and this is the slogan. Business management, some courses. This is a website for online learning. The learning management system is also here. Internal pages. In the internal pages, we have events and the shop pages, teachers pages, library, tutorials, profile, and register login options are also here. In the course pages, we have the course single page, lesson, and quizzes. Blogs are here, and the contact us is also good. So about us page is here, and instructions, dashboard are available. So all internal pages that you need for your website is already here. So you just need to update your content and you'll be fine to launch your website with this theme. Dlear. Okay, great. So we can check back here, and it is still working, and I'm going to refresh this page just to check the number of images. Now it is 55 within a minute. I got 55 images. All images are also included in the demo part. So, of course, we can use these images subjected to copyright clearance. And yes, abstract images can be directly used, of course. And it is still working. And if we check another layouts, like this is the freelancer courses website, this is also equally good. Simple, attractive, to the point. So this should be the motive of any website, and the presentation of content should be very clear. So if you are targeting a successful website, make it crisp and clear. Don't clutter your website with the designs. However, you have all the options on this channel. You can choose best WordPress theme in education category. So I have covered all the main WordPress themes that you can choose for education websites. But yes, you have to make your mind very clear that you need to present the content clearly, because you are creating a education website and it is not a creative services website, right? So the approach should be very clear. You have to you have to choose a clear and absolute WordPress theme that can bring the content for uses and consumptions, right? So, okay, so import complete. Some media images missing, that does not matters, and we are fine. And to check the error log as well, just in case. So there are some media items, just some media items, and I can refresh this page just to check the final count of the images. And 90 images that I got in the demo import, and I am eager to refresh this page to check our new website. I believe everything is going to work fine. And yes, it is here. So this is pop-up message. So this is also included in the theme, and it is really wonderful. We got all the content with all set of elements that we explored in the demo, and now it is here. So it is great. And okay, only one image is missing that we can directly add at the website. And if we check the internal pages randomly, this is about us page. Great. The speed is also very good. And when we check the course page, course archive, so this is here. So courses are yet not imported because we have yet not set up the learning management system. However, courses have been imported, so all the courses are here. So what we can do, we can go for a quick setup of LMS, run the setup wizard, and you can continue with default things, and even continue and back to the dashboard. We don't need to install demo course because we have already courses in the demo import. So we can simply come back to the dashboard, and we can check all the things for the courses and everything. So like course single, we can check here. This is course single page and it is working fine, right? And the lessons. So this is basically the online learning system website. But yes, we have all the options. I'll show you the pages, how many pages we have received in the demo import. 45 published pages, and I believe all the home pages is also included here. So you can choose your desired home page, home, one, instructor singles, and all this here. Next, I can check more pages on the third page. So we have tutorial pages, teachers page, and shop page. All good. And we have received all the contents. And now I'm going to show you all the options like where you can update the content. If you are targeting a LMS website, learning management system, online courses website, go to the learn page and you get all the options for uploading and updating the courses like lessons, quizzes, questions, order, categories, and all such things. So you can take reference from the existing course, how it is being published, and you can follow the same pattern for publishing your course. And just in case, if you have any question, write in the comment section and don't hesitate in asking any question at here on the iCreate program with a mentor. You can complete your website. Your dream website can be true here, and with the iCreate team, we are always helping to create wonderful websites using WordPress. Okay, so all the learning management system can be accessed here under LearnPress menu. And next we have header and footer builder. So you can simply edit the header that is being used for your selected layout, like header inner, footer inner, and header home, and all can be edited using Elementor Page Builder. I believe you know how to edit with Elementor. It is just like working on a Word file. So simply select the content. I'll show you. Okay. So Dlear options is the page and theme options that we can use for customizing our website for the basic things like global settings, body text color, primary color, title color, white color, and everything. All colors can be handled. Similarly, we have control on the typography, sticky menu, event schedule, event settings, WooCommerce settings, pop-up settings, what you want to show on the pop-up. So this is important. Scroll, top settings, preloader settings, port not for, and import. Okay. Under testimonials, you can update the content that is coming under testimonials. Similarly, we had events area and the teams area that we can simply update at our website. Next, I can see what is new here. So if in case if you are targeting to sell something, the products are here. You can upload the product in the same pattern that had been used in the demo content. Right. Next is the payments, and all rest of the things are very common as in a general WordPress installation. So I believe this is very simple and easy to use layout and thing that you can use for your online learning or education services website. And for editing the content at the front end, you can simply use Elementor. Simply open the page, load the page that you want to edit, and click on edit with Elementor. And just in case if you are targeting the specific section, go to the respective section that you want to edit. So you can approach in all sections from here. So open the page, click on edit with Elementor, and Elementor is very easy to use page builder that you can always use for WordPress website, of course. So just keep one thing in mind. You have to use the same dimension of image, same length of text, about the same, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. So these things are going to be fine. Simply click on the area that you want to edit, and in the left column, it will be available for editing. All good, all simple. You can filter the data for the courses and everything. And we are here to help you if you have any further question. So what you can do, simply go to the video description link, buy this theme at themeforest.net, just spend $29, get a hosting plan and the domain at WP Themes website if you have yet not taken. And if you are already with all these things, you can simply join the iCreate program where you can get all the helps for your website from a mentor. You can simply use this onboarding connect link and you can join the program. When you are buying the theme through the link, through the affiliate link at themeforest.net, this program is going to be absolutely free for you. Okay, so in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your wonderful website. Your dream website can be very close to you, and you can create your website without having any technical knowledge with the WordPress and with WP Themes and iCreate team. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.